Okay, let's make these 50-cent toenail press-ons from scratch, or like a cake. Most of everything I got is from Amazon or Temu. Whenever I do chrome, I do a thin layer of black underneath. You can go darker, but it makes the chrome shine more. All my top coats that I've tried, none of them really work except for Cura Sky. We cure that for a full 60 seconds. And then the chrome, you can get the cheapest chrome there is and it will still come up beautifully. Look at that. Full coverage. Brush it off. Also, this is like a cat eye holographic effect without doing any magnetic, zhuzh. And I have this stand from Temu where I can just paint all the nails at once, cure them, and I'm done. Then clip it off after I glue it on my toes and file it down, just a cute little shape. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a lovely night. I don't know why I said that, and I'm not re recording this. Bye!